even yesterday I could feel it, so I had to wear a mask again.
Smoke from the 70-plus fires raging in northern Quebec put Montreal under a smog alert. From Mount Royal, you can see the blanket covering the city, but it didn't keep people away from coming to visit the panoramic views. It has canceled the opening night of La Ronde's international fireworks competition.
So if we want to protect people's health, yes. Events that generate pollution over a short period of time to make them less polluting is part of the deal.
Having problems with asthma sometimes, and then it's not easy to breathe.
Canada Day fireworks planned for Saturday night in Montreal have also been cancelled. Organizers said they didn't want to add another pollutant in the air. A recent annual report from Montreal Public Health found that fireworks were responsible for 5 out of 33 days of poor air quality in the city last year. On a normal day, Montreal sees about 10 to 15 micrograms per cubic meter of fine particles in the air. On Thursday, it's expected to reach between 150 and 200, and fireworks could add 200 to 300 extra micrograms per cubic meter to the air.
If we want to avoid really high levels of particles, even if it's temporary over the evening and overnight, then it just makes sense to not have that fireworks show tonight.
La Ronde says it's the first time in its 37 years of putting on the international fireworks competition that it's had to cancel an event for health reasons.
It's very disappointing for the team here, the technical team, and who are working multiple hours to provide those fireworks display, but the primary goal for us was to contact public health.
La Ronde says it'll be checking with public health the night before each weekly fireworks event between now and August.
The sun can transform some of the components within that smoke into benzene and formaldehyde. So it's not good stuff. We don't want to be breathing this stuff in. And so for the first half of the long weekend, I would say it is best to plan indoor activities. The smoke should start to ease up by, let's say, Friday's not great, Saturday's not great. At least by late Saturday into Sunday, we should start to see some of that smoke push off to the east.
People with lung or heart disease, older adults, children, pregnant women, and people who work outdoors are at higher risk of experiencing health effects.
For people who need to be outside, N95 is an individual measure that can help reduce exposure.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.